What's up guys, KronKendama here with our first video. This is going to be an unboxing on the new Kendama I got. It is a sweet Atack. Here's the package box. I ordered this last Tuesday and it came like a couple days ago, but I had to wait because I had to find the camera. And anyways, here we go. First off, it comes with a couple stickers, Sweets Kendama, and then their logo. And then it comes in this box, says all of the grips and what everything's called or whatever. And let's open it. And then it comes with a extra string, and then a tips and tricks manual. There you have like beginner, intermediate, advanced tricks. Anyways, here's the Kendama. It's a purple Sweets Atack. They're supposed to be tackier, like the paint is, and it's not supposed to wear as much. And I don't know, the cups look deeper than like my last one, and the hole's a little smaller, but that'll just take some getting used to. So see you later guys. This is KronKendama with a purple Sweets Atack unboxing. Later.